Hello and welcome to Royal Chess Center. This is today's problem. A very interesting one. The black pawns are going this side. That means this pawn is going to become a queen or something else. So this is black to play. The most obvious move in this position is f1 and takes a queen. So what happens after we take a queen? Material wise, black is having a more powerful position because black will be one bishop and one rook up. That means more than white's materials. Now to save this position, white has to either give checkmate, and I don't think that is possible in this position, or he has to find something which is called draw by giving perpetual check. So white has this option, queen takes pawn check. In this position, black can play king to f6 or king to e8. I can see two suggestions, possibilities for black. So let's check what happens if black plays king f6, queen d6 check. The point is white cannot stop giving check. He has to give check in each move, otherwise black will simply win the position. Say let's play king z5. So we can give check from here, but what happens, king will be moving to h6 and we can again give check from here, or we can give check from queen f4, king f6, queen d6, say king z7 just for fun. So queen e7 check, king h6. Now what, queen f8 check, king h7, queen f7 check, king h8, queen f8 check. So the checks are going on and this will be a draw. Now let's check, instead of king f6, what happens if black plays king e8. Now white should be careful because this bishop can anytime defend or block the check from white. So I think queen e5 check is a good move. King d7. So is there any more check? Because I cannot give check from here because of bishop takes queen. Queen g7 check. It is possible. King d6, queen f6 check, king c5. It seems nice because you can escape somewhere like this way maybe. So now I think queen this or this. So let's be safe. I will not allow the king to move towards the b4 or d4 square. I will play queen c3 check. If black plays king d6, then I will again give check on f6. And if black plays king b6, I have a very nice perpetual check, that is queen c3 6. King is forced to go to f5. Now again queen a4 check. The black's king is pinned down for perpetual check, and it will be a draw. Black cannot escape, means black don't have any escape square. So as you can see, if blacks promote this pawn to a queen, this is a force draw. Black cannot escape check from the white queen. Interesting. So now what is the solution? Are you going to draw this game? The answer is no. See, the first sign of winning this position for black is black's pieces, all the pieces are taking the white king. This is very important to take decision in any kind of position. If your pieces are attacking aggressively to your opponent's king, then you have to be very careful. Calculate as much as possible. Try to find winning positions. Winning positions means rook bishop checkmate, double bishop checkmate, or this kind of positions. So in this position, the correct answer to win the game is pawn promote to a knight check. In our last class, pawn promotion, if you have not watched the video, please do after completing this video. You have to be very careful when promoting your pawn. You have to be very selective. Sometimes promoting to the queen is not the best idea. So this is a live example. So promoting to a knight was the best move. Now see, king don't have any escape squares. Force move is king f4, and when there are force moves, you have to calculate very precisely. Now black has some options. For example, bishop e3 check, king will go to e5, bishop check, king e5. Then what? Are there any kind of winning combination? If I am not wrong, black cannot even give a proper check, because if bishop f4 or bishop d4 check, white king will simply capture the bishop. Sorry, bishop e3 check is out of question. What are other checks in this position? One is rook h4 check. So let's see what happens after rook h4. The white king have two options, king z5 or king e5. If white play king e5, we can, that means black can simply play bishop to d4 checkmate, or bishop h2 checkmate. Very interesting checkmate in combination of double bishop and rook in the center of the chessboard. King e5 is a bad move. Now what happens if white play king z5? I want everybody to take 5-10 minutes by pausing this video and try to find out the answer. So I hope you tried your best from your side. Now I will show you the answer. So in this position, bishop e3 check, excellent move. We are sacrificing this rook so that we can capture that means we can give checkmate to the white king. Takes. Now the white king cannot move to these two squares because of the knight and this bishop. So we will take advantage of that. Pawn push check. King cannot move to these two squares. King h5. Knight g3 check. Interesting. King have only one square, that is king h6. And now the winning move, g4 checkmate by the bishop. A beautiful checkmate with the combination of double bishop and a knight. Very good position and a very good study for the beginners. I will advise all the beginners to memorize this position, that means the initial position, all the variations which I showed you, and try to think how black has find out this combination to give checkmate to the white king. So that's all for today's lesson. What we learn is it is not always a smart idea to promote the pawn to a queen. Sometimes promoting to some other pieces gives more advantages. I hope you understood this class. I hope you understood the position, the ideas behind the moves. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.